Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Style. So I just came back from the grocery store and I seen some Amazon packages out there waiting on me, and one of them is this bowl maker. You guys know I have been like just fascinated with bowls lately, probably because the girls is back in school, so I need them to do their hair. So I went on ahead and bought this hair bowl maker, and yeah, it's supposed to make some big bows. And the one thing I noticed on it that me and my daughter was cracking up about, look at the age requirements. It says ages 6 to 96. So if you are 97 and up, I'm sorry. I don't recommend you to purchase this. I'm sorry. This is just not for you. I don't know what's the difference between 96 and 97, but apparently I'll know when I get there. Okay? So, let's open this up. Okay. Okay, I like the different ribbons. I'm not gonna lie. I love different ribbons, and I like the bling. I like glitter. I like sequins. I like all that. It don't look like you get a lot. You get a book. Wait. What is this? A pom-pom, glue, thread, and a button. Oh, get one of them little jelly packs. And you get some instructions, but you guys know me, and if you do, then you know I'm not going to look at this. I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to read it. It has 8 inches, so I guess all you need to make these bows is just 8 inches. But of course, you guys, I have my bins of ribbon here. I'm also going to be using my own. So let's go ahead and get into this really quick. Upon looking at this a little bit, I probably could have made this myself. It's just made with like some foam and cardboard. I'm gonna yeah, alright you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm assuming this right here, this little measuring thing is here because that's the size that you need your ribbon to be. So I'm just gonna guess and say cut an 8-inch ribbon strip. So that's what I'm doing first. Ooh, I'm gonna need a lighter for these edges. Okay, so I actually went on ahead and made a bow. This is the bow that I ended up making. It came out super cute. You guys, this is really cute. Now as you see, the ribbon that it comes with is like really thick. It may even be like 2-inch. I'm gonna try it with smaller ribbon. What is this, an inch ribbon? Yes, this is 1-inch ribbon, so I'm about to try it with this and see how the bows come out with just 1-inch ribbons. So what you want to do first is just go ahead, take your ribbon and hook it to the little slot that's on the side. And then once you do that, what you're going to want to do is just loop it through every other slot. Pretty much like that. Because this is not solid and this is color. I don't know how this is going to come out. Because you want to take it back through. Just like that. And then you want to sit there and do the same thing again. And then you're going to want to take it again. One more last time. And then at this point, you're pretty much done. All you're going to do is take it and hook it right here in this slot. Now, as you see, that didn't take any time at all. That was really fast. But as I said, I don't know what it's going to look like because it's not a solid color. It's got the print on it, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. Now I'm going to take, well, they told you to take some thread. I don't know how this is going to do. I guess let's try with the thread and see how that turns out, right? So if you look, there is a slot right there. That's where you thread your ribbon or this thread that they tell you to use through, and you tie it off. Come on, where you at? See, that just don't look like it's tight enough to me. supposed to keep tying it, I guess. Let's try it. Let's see. Let's just tie it in some knots. One more. Alright, let's go ahead and cut it off and see what this looks like. And then from there, you go ahead and just unhook your sides and slide everything off. Okay. To where you have a bow. Gotta fix it a little bit, but yeah, it is a bow. Okay, yes, it's definitely a bow, but this bow to me would look best if it was corresponding with a bigger bow. You know, like put it on there for the accent. It's still a bow. I mean, shoot, it's a bow, I guess. Let me see what I got to put with it. Okay, so this is how the bow came out, all completed, all done. This is what it looks like. It is cute. This is another bow that I made. This is how it came out, all completed. That one too is cute. This is another bow that I did, and this one is like with the see-through type of what is this? I don't know. It's just see-through ribbon. So I'm gonna see how it looks trying to make a smaller bow. So I'm just gonna use 2. I'm not gonna use all of it. So we're gonna do pretty much the same thing. This time I'm just wrapping it 2 times, just like that. And now I'm going to again. Do I got some string? Okay, I got string right here. Take this string, thread it through, and tie it in a knot, which you know is what they tell you to do. So let's go ahead and tie this up. Let's see what a smaller bow look like. All right, let's go ahead and cut this. Bring it out, open it up. Okay, so that is what that looks like. It's cute. So I guess you could use it to make small bows. I don't really do small bows. It works, I guess. I don't know. I just wanted to try it. I don't know. Okay, so I end up cutting the 2 tails off, and once I cut the 2 tails off and pulled it apart, this little bow looks so much cuter. So it does make the bigger size bows, such as this, and you could also make the smaller size bows. And this is just with 1 inch, and this is with 2 inch. I'm going to try this with 2 inch ribbon. Alright, look at that, you guys. That is a super cute, super simple bow. I gotta cut my ends the same way. Okay, so I made a tiny bow, and I actually like the smaller bows better. This is super cute, super adorable, and it doesn't use as much ribbon. I can see doing these like a bunch of these. These are super cute. And I did these just using just 2 instead of the whole thing. Yeah, that's cute. Especially if you add like a little embellishment on there. Let's see what I got, what I got. Alright, let's try to go with a silver one. I don't know. What do I got? What I got? And these I got from Joann's. They were like $1 a sheet, so super cute. These will look cute on some pigtails. Okay, so that is all of this mess. We made some bows. I did this is the ribbon that it came with. I actually do like the ribbon that it came with. I don't know why, but it seemed like the ribbon, the 2-inch ribbon that I had, I don't know, it just didn't come out the same. But this got like velvet and an imprint on it. I would recommend, if you're doing this and you're using it, to do it with like a solid print, just because, you know, look at that, there's nothing on the other side. It's just, and then it's hard when you're trying to flip it around and all of that, and it's chaos. It is chaos. Oh, that's cute. I could pair it with the rainbow. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that right now as we speak. I'm pairing that yellow bow with the rainbow because it looked cute. So why not, right? And while I'm doing that, let me see if I can add these. Or is this clip too big? Is this clip too big? No, it's not. So let me add this in here. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys soon.